Well, today we are presenting the user guide of project 1 regarding the Douglas bookstore. We'll first start with the login. Over here, we will put in the employee ID, and now we will enter the password for the employee, then we will log in. Once you log in, this form will come up. Remember, this form will only come up if you're a manager. You have a few options here, including change password. To change a password, you click on change password, and this form right here will come up. You can enter your new password here and then confirm the password that you entered in this text box. To confirm it, this will save the changes and you're now logged in with your new password. Note that you can only change your own password. You cannot change other employees' passwords. You can then press the exit button to exit, go back button to go back to the menu, or exit from here also. Now we will look at the form customer. Let's say we are searching for a customer and we want to search by their first name. We can select it from the search criteria, and then in the keyword we need to put in their name. If we search by last name, phone number, or email, or their ID, we can also do that. If the customer does not exist, it will not show. So once you search for the customer's name will be shown on the results box right over here, and once you click on the name of the customer, their information will be over here. If you would like to modify the customer, you click on the modify button and you can modify their information, and then once you're satisfied with it, you can save it. A message box will appear saying that customer has been updated successfully. You can also delete the customer, or you can, once you delete the customer, the record will be deleted. You can also add a new customer. Once you're done here, you can exit the program or go back to the main menu. Let's check employee. Over here, there is a search criteria. You can enter the search by employee's ID, first name, or last name. Let's save by ID. Now over here, we can enter the employee ID and search for the employee, and then their information will appear over here. You can also add a new employee. You can edit the information, save it, you can delete it, or go back to the main menu. You can search for supplier ID, and once you put in the supplier ID in the search keyword text box, press search, the result will come over here. You click on that, the information will be shown here. You can modify the information for your supplier, you can delete your supplier, or add a new supplier. Once you're done, you can exit the program here or go to the main menu. If you go to products, this will pull up the products menu. You can search for products by their ID, name, or type. If you search for product ID, you should enter the keyword right here. The result will be shown in the results box. Click on it. The information will be shown here. You can modify the product. You can add a new product or delete the current product. You can exit the program by clicking exit or go back to the main menu. Now we will go to the price form. The price is search the criteria for your price by clicking product ID or your product name. Now we can enter the product ID, but the validity date is an optional key. It tells you from what date to what date is the price validate for. Once you click on that, the result will be shown on the box right here, and your information will be shown over here, including the purchasing price and the price that you're selling the book for. Also the start and end date. This is the validity date. You can make changes here, or you can add a new price. Once you're done here, you can exit or go back to the main menu. Now we're back on the main menu. You can go to report. This will take us to the form report. You can now search for a sales report depending on the dates that you choose, and it will show the items that have been sold and the quantity of those items that have been sold. Over here on the stock report tab, you can click on enter the product ID, and it will show you a report of the product and how much items of that product are left. Over on the profit report tab, you can click on the store location and the start date, and then the end date that you want the product to be shown, and it will bring up a report. The last thing I would like to show you is the operations tab. This is the main program for purchasing items from a customer. And this form is for selling items to the customer, and this last one is for returning items to the customer. For purchase, we can enter a product ID. Let's say we enter 101 product ID. This is all the items that we have purchased from the customer. The information will be shown here. You can add a new purchase or delete purchase. Over on the sale tab, you can sell a product. You can enter the product ID of the product, or if you have a scanner, you can scan that product. In this way, this gray area will be highlighted, and you can select cash or credit card. You can choose your location, and the total will be entered here, and then you can go on to finish the sale. Now to make a return, you need to enter the invoice ID over here, and then when you search for it, you choose the one, and then you choose the product that you want to return, and then you can give a refund.